Hi, welcome back. This is John Clifford. Today we'll discuss about Introduction to Accounting. Over the centuries, accounting has remained confined to a financial record keeping functions of accountants. It is limited to only a financial account keeping functions of accountants. But now, due to the business environmental change, we buy most of the products through online. We order food through online. So most of the things we do online now. So before, the accounting is used only for the providing relevant accounting information to the decision making team. How much we are buying a raw material for, and how much is the production cost, how much we are selling it, what is the salary and what is the rent, all these to calculate and give it to the decision making team. That is the only work of an accountant. That was the only functions of accountants. But now, due to the business environmental change, accounting today is much more than just bookkeeping and the preparation of financial reports. Right? Accounts are now capable of working in exciting new growth areas like forensic accounting. We buy most of the things through online, right? So forensic accounting helps us in solving crimes such as computer hacking and theft of large amount of money on the internet. Right? Then e-commerce. Now we use GPay, PhonePay, all this digital payment platform. So e-commerce provide in designing web-based payment system. Then financial planning, to plan the finance. The next one is environmental accounting. We use our natural resources for the business also. For example, we are taking sand. So we can't take too much of sand from a place. It will be a danger. And also we use trees for the business. So too much of trees in a place also, it will be dangerous. It will affect the environment. So to monitor the excessive use of the natural resources, environmental accounting is done. So accounting is very much supportive to the environmental accounting also, to monitor the depletion of natural resources. Right? Accounting has been raised to a level of an information system which provides information to the wide variety of users. Now let us see the definition of accounting. Okay, meaning of accounting. In accounting, we follow a common systematic process. Right? Accounting is a systematic process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting and communicating the financial information. Right? Identifying the financial transaction in terms of money. Okay? Then measuring. Okay, measuring the financial transaction in terms of money. Then recording it in a systematic process, not on the first page and last page of your book. Right? There should be a systematic process in recording the transaction. And classifying the transaction, classifying it whether it is in sales or service or production, you classify the transaction. And summarizing it. Normally the financial transaction will be for 1 year. Okay, you summarize it for 1 year. and interpreting and communicating it, and explaining it and communicating the financial information relating to the economic events of an organization to the interested users of such information. Who are the primary interested users? The owners. Okay, they need to know how much is the profit, how much is the loss, they need to know. And also the bankers who are lending loan to the firm, they need to know the financial position of the company. The next one is economic events. Normally, how will you do business? We'll buy products from somewhere else and we'll sell it, or else we'll buy raw materials from somewhere else, we manufacture and we'll sell it. For the manufacturing purpose, we need some of the machineries. We need to buy some machineries, and there is transportation involved in that. So we need to do some trial run for this machinery. Okay, some of the things will get wasted when we do the trial run. This one all is expense. So much of economic events will happen in a business. So these type of an economic events is of two types. The economic events are two types, that is external event and internal event. What is an external event? External event is rent to a landlord. See, for example, we are giving rent to a landlord. That is an external event, right? And purchase of material from the supplier. For the supplier, for manufacturing something else, we are buying some material from the supplier. That is an external event. And what is an internal event? Internal event which is happening inside the organization. That is wages to the employee. We are giving wages to the employee. Okay, that is internal event. And materials from stores to the manufacturing department. If it is a manufacturing department, we will give some materials to the manufacturing department. That is internal events. If it is a service unit or a automobile company, for example, from spare parts, they'll give some materials to the servicing department. This one all comes under internal events, which is happening inside the organization. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this lecture, please do subscribe and press the bell icon also. See you next time.